Chapter 107 Al-Maa'oon. The most rational and academic translation of the Quran. Chapter Al-Maa'oon 107 is actually a target-oriented reprimand and condemnation directed towards the people on high administrative posts under the kingdom of God established by the Holy Messenger. However, you will readily observe from the specimen of traditional translations given below that the narration is intentionally turned towards unknown abstract personalities instead of the responsible officials of the government. This was one of the crooked tactics employed by Umayyad despots to distort the aims and objectives of Quranic injunctions ordaining a benevolent welfare government. Kindly compare both given translations and note carefully the difference between fiction and reality. A specimen of inherited traditional translations. Hast thou ever considered the kind of man who gives the lie to all moral law? Behold, it is this kind of man that thrusts the orphan away, and feels no urge to feed the needy. Woe then, unto those praying ones whose hearts from their prayer are remote, those who want only to be seen and praised, and withal, deny all assistance to their fellow men. By Assad. The latest academic and rational translation. 107:17. Addressing the Holy Messenger. Have you duly taken note of those who are practically falsifying the divine mode of conduct? Be it understood once for all that these are the ones who are driving away the helpless segment of society, and are not initiating welfare schemes for the destitute and the penniless class. Impose punishment on this category of responsible officials, who in fact exercise gross negligence in carrying out their duties, who only are showing off their status or positions, but actually are obstructing the flow of help, assistance, kindness, and welfare to the people.